Good afternoon. My name is Ivan. I'm studying a Bachelor of Foreign Language with an emphasis in English at UNAT. Below, I will present a history book. Okay, continue. My name is Ivan Darío Cuevas Ortiz. I'm 24 years old. I'm a disciplined person. I am a respectful person. I like to practice cycling. I like to read and listen to music. I dislike wasting time on unnecessary things. I dislike liars. I feel myself living in Villavicencio. My favorite book is Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey. Okay, continue. First, my favorite celebration is the Aguinaldo Boyacense in Tunja, Boyacá. A cultural event is held in the Plaza of Bolivar in the city of Tunja. It is an important cultural event that identifies the region and is part of the history. This event was held in December 6, 1947. Okay, the celebration lasts 7 days, performing more than 20 local, national, and international groups, artists, and orchestras. Number 7. Parades are made with costumes typical of the region. Typical foods from the region are sold. A parades of troops, vehicles, and motorcycles is held. Finally, a ride is made through the main streets of the city. I always lie my bed. I often organize clothes in the closet. I always wash the dish I use. Sometimes I wash the floor of the house. I rarely clean the ceiling of my room. Number 6. I rarely go out to plant the plants. Number 7. I always fold my clothes after washing. I often change the sheets on my bed. Always dry the bathroom after showering. Finally, I never take the dog for a walk. Okay, continue. Every day I watch national and international news. Number 2. I always listen to music when I go to work. I am reading the book Think Fast, Think Slowly, Daniel Kahneman. Number 4. When I finish studying, I like to listen to music in English. Number 5. I am currently watching a series of Netflix, Point Black 29 night. Number 6. Every day I listen to the song John Lennon, All of Me. Number 7. I like to listen to pop in English. I am currently watching a history program in History Channel. Number 9. I always watch news at 7 a.m. Finally, always at 7 p.m. I read a chapter of the book Think Fast, Think Slow, Daniel Kahneman. Continue. Fields. In summer, you should wear light colored clothes. In summer, you should wear sunglasses as they will protect your eyes from intense light. Number 3. In summer, clothing that cover most of the body should be worn. to avoid exposure to the sun. Number 4. In the spring, you should wear short sleeve shirts. In the spring, you can wear sleeved shirts and sleeved shirts. Number 6. In winter, it is recommended to wear wool sweaters. Number 7. In winter, scarves are warm. In winter, coats and hats are warm. In fall, you can wear jeans, jackets, t-shirts to personal taste. Finally, in fall, unlike coat, cardigan on is usually warm. Avoid wearing clothes that are too thin or hot. Okay. Thank you for the attention. See you later.